Joining me now for the weekly options alert, Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial. Happy to have you back on the show.
Good morning, Angie.
So let's take a look at the market action. What do you think overall?
Definitely tech time. Came storming back. We mentioned it last week. New highs once again. Now let's look at this. This is more than 2 weeks of each and every day a positive close. That doesn't happen that often.
You do have a new weekly options alert. You're watching your WTI indicator. What are you picking up here? What's on your radar?
Well, another tech play, Micron. Micron Technology is up 140% in the last year. So this stock's been trading between 28 and 32 or so. So I'm seeing the smart money flow into that. I'm looking at the weekly option, not for this Friday, but for August 4th, the August 4th 31 call in MU.
Now, last week when you were on the show, you talked about Apple, and that stock indeed moved your way.
That's the power of options. A pop here, we saw a 2.5% pop in Apple, and this option gained 70%.
Wow.
So I'm from the school of sell too soon, so we exited half of our positions. I still think there's more upside in Apple, but the idea here is it's a weekly option, expires here on Friday. Want to take some of these profits off the table.
Before you take off, let's take a look at your 3 trading floor takeaways for today. Number one,
the death of the euro currency is greatly exaggerated. Everybody was so worried about Brexit. The euro has bounced up. It's up to the levels that we haven't seen since 2015. Now, what that means is a low dollar. A low dollar is a positive for energy, metals, mining, and exports. So that could be another catalyst for the market.
Takeaway number 2 involves the VIX.
The VIX. Everybody talks about the volatility index, the fear index, and it continues to grind lower. We just went down to 9. Everybody said it was too low at 10. Markets can always go a lot lower than what you think or a lot higher than you think. So be aware. Technically, I'm looking for 8 as the bottom.
And number 3, the bank boom.
Boom. Wow. The banks have taken off. They're back to financial crisis highs once again. But let's remember, they still have more upside to get to those 2007 highs. So that could also be supportive of the market. They're making a lot of money.
We look forward to having you back on the show next week.
Thank you.